What's going on my favorite left side resale fans? I wanted to do a quick video real quick, just like the last one. I believe the last one. I don't know what we did a video on last time. But we've made another sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get our shipping label ready here. And while I do, I will show you what we were able to sell. All right. I know it was in one of our previous videos, but we did pick up this J.R.R Tolkien Master of the Rings set. So basically what this is a booklet, DVD and CD of, honestly, whatever J.R.R Tolkien is. I've never heard of it. I've never looked into it, so I actually have no idea. And we are going out to Wilmington. So let's get that printed for us. And we will package it up and get it sent out. It's printing. Did you hear that? It's done. We now have a label. Alright, peeled off, that side is done. Throw that away. Take our bubble mailer. Alright, and I'm going to have to show you guys this. This is actually really cool. So if you do ever buy anything from me, check it out. It actually does come up. That's pretty cool. All right. So, Catherine Hoskley. If you're one of our subscribers and you're watching the videos, thank you very much for your purchase. Really appreciate it. I will have this shipped out by tomorrow. Thanks, guys.